In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate 10 different things that you can use on the Rebounder, starting with the one that everyone should be using, and that is light weights. All right, so let's get some music on. Let's start. You can use the light weights, just doing a health bounce, pushing down on the mat, and doing biceps, triceps, shoulder press, different things. You can start with 1 pound lace-ups like these. These are 2 pounds. You can go to 3 pounds, 5 pounds if you want. So that's your first thing that you can use, lace-ups or dumbbells. All right, let's put those down. All right, the second thing you can use, turn that up just a little bit. All right, second thing you can use is the Pilates ball, okay? This one probably needs to be blown up a little bit, but you can work on the pelvic floor muscles by doing a health bounce, squeezing the ball. That helps with the core muscles, the pelvic floor muscles. You can also lift up off the mat if you want. You can go side to side. I have a video showing what to do, how to use the Pilates ball, so you can check that out, all right? The next thing we're going to use is the mini jump rope. These are weighted. You don't have to use the weights. These are like $8.99 on Amazon right now, all right? So you can work the arms, tone, strengthen, all while rebounding. So if you want to squeeze the inner thighs here, this works also the pelvic floor muscles. You can go forward, you can go backwards, okay? You can go out to the side. You can go overhead. That really gets the heart rate up. All right, so that's your weighted mini jump ropes. Next, you can use resistance bands. These I ordered from Michelle Breeler. She's a great instructor. And all right, I got them all messed up. So again, you can use the resistance band for strengthening your arms, toning your arms. I like to put them underneath my feet and do a bicep curl. Yeah, I'm engaging that core, making it really tight and working on toning, strengthening. So you can do biceps again, you can do triceps, you can do things over the head. You can also put this around the leg and do some things like on your knees and use them. So there's different ways. I have videos on those too. All right, what's next? Next is going to be the weighted bar. This is a 5 pound weighted bar. What I would do on this one, I would put my legs about shoulder width apart here, just do a health bounce, and I would do biceps, you can also do a basic bounce and just kind of hold it out like this. That also works the biceps. Now, you can also, I like doing this also, I like doing the squats and the push-up. So squat and shoulder press. Squat, shoulder press. I bought these also from Amazon. They do come in various weights. I think this one is kind of the lightest one. This one is a 5 pound weighted bar. You can do a serve the tray like this. All kinds of ways. Okay, let's put that down. Next, we're going to go to, this is a booty band or glute band. Very carefully, put it right above your knees, and you can do, this one really gets, you can really feel it start to burn. Keep it a little bit further than shoulder width apart. This one comes in 3 different sizes. You can do scissors. Or now, if you're not bouncing off the mat, you can also just do heel digs. Yep, so there you go. And that helps tone, strengthen, shape the legs. You're going to shake side to side. This is a weighted hula hoop. And you just push on the rebounder. Push, kind of bend your legs. You can balance. Push. This one really works the legs. Gets the heart rate up. A little cardio. Yeah. And if you're not used to it, it does hurt your waist, your sides. Once you get used to it, it's okay though. All right, so that is the weighted hula hoop. These are cardio sticks. Cardio sticks are a little bit weighted, but not very heavy. And you can do things like I don't want to hit them because it's too loud, but you would hit them. Okay, so you can go up like jumping jacks. I think I need to do a routine for this one because I think I have an old one. So different things you can do with these. Don't hit yourself though. You can twist overhead. Okay, so various things with that. Also can use, this is a different type of glute loop. You can use these. You can do a mini band like this, where you can go crooked. All right, that works toning the arms. Yeah, works better on the floor. In the other room on my tile. I can't do it on the carpet here. Okay, so there you have it. Everything I use on the Rebounder. Do you use anything else? If you do, comment below. Let me know. Little joyful jump. I hope all of you who said I'm in are doing the lymphatic pat where you yeah, are you doing it? The lymphatic pat? Get those toxins out. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you what I use on my mini trampoline. Yay! And that is it for today. See you next time. You know what to do, right? Yep.